Hey guys, Kapper here, and Murphy's Law seemed to find me once again. So I've been working the new tractor and it's been going pretty good overall, a few little tweaks. And while I had it in the other day, the fan was making a noise. The intake fan up in the ceiling, it was going. And so I turned it on off a few times, kept making a noise. So the tech there turned it up to 3, which I didn't do yet, and it went, and then it quit. But it was still running. It quit making noise. It was nice and quiet again. So I thought, it's probably just a fluke. We turned it on off a few times. Everything seemed to work fine. Something maybe was loose or whatever. So I get in my tractor the next day. Stinks. Dead mouse stink. If you've ever had one, you know the smell, and it's very unique. So sure enough, up in the roof now there's a dead mouse, probably a skewered dead mouse, cut in pieces. And you got to take the whole I forgot the name of it, but the whole liner, it's a hard liner, has to come off. And if it's one of them things like a car dashboard that once you take it off, it's never the same again, we'll see. So I'm bringing it in because I don't want to try it, because all the cooling vents come through there. So I don't want to mess something up. So yeah, let's see if we can find a skewered mouse up there. Unbelievable, man, unreal. Okay, so let me show you. That's where the noise was coming from. That's the intake. And it might just pop off, but I'm afraid to try it for fear of breaking it or something worse. And even then, there's no guarantees you're going to get to the mouse in there. And so you see these panel screws up here. This whole panel has to come off. All of these vents are in the panel. The sun visor, I can't tell if it comes through or if it's on the panel. The radio, oh my gosh, the radio is in the panel. So this is going to be a major dang project. The speakers, those are in the panel. The heat and air switch, that's in the panel. Oh my gosh, man, seriously? I mean, maybe we'll get lucky and that'll just pop off and they could find a dead critter in there. But I repeat, I would have to get lucky, and that just doesn't happen that often. I suppose with the drone I've been lucky, but it's just a tough machine. So let's see what happens. Alright, I'm pulled over here. I'm gonna get some breakfast. I dropped the truck off, or the tractor off, with the boys at Back 40. So that guy Jeff who ordered a Branson, I just had to throw some bait out. I sent him a text and said, bad news, man, the tractor's in the shop, and that's all I said. So I know him, his gears are already going, thinking, oh my gosh, what did I do? You know, did I buy a lemon? Of course, we all think that about a lot of things. But anyways, keeping our fingers crossed. They got to pull that entire panel off like I thought, and the very first screw already stripped. Because Branson had them tightened, I mean locked down super tight, which ultimately is normally a good thing. But yeah, we'll see how it goes here shortly. Listen, it smells like shit.
or I will never find it.
Got to.
Huh?
Got to.
Oh, it smells right in here. Look at this project. Look at this. This makes for a bad day. Oh yeah. Big old fat, juicy field mouse. And there's his bed. You gonna eat it? So, after a few minutes of thinking about this for a while, I'm curious as to how the gerbil got into the cab of the tractor to get into the headliner. I don't know. Use your imagination. I think Kapper put it in there. I think he, took the gerbil to the tractor, and then he lost the gerbil inside the tractor, but I can't prove it. So, we're going to lavender Lysol the stink pulled out of this cab right now. It's happening. It's not like me right now. GoPro keeps falling. Lysol should sponsor this. This is Monday too. I'm not real happy about it. You could have done this on like Wednesday or something when I was prepared. Alright, let me hit the blower right here. Watch out. Hit the other one. And you know that's where the mouse got chopped up at.
Yeah, because I heard it going to keep it on the other day.
Yeah, let it grind it up.
It went.
That's where that He was in there just chilling and you kicked the fan on.
Kapper turned it on high or on low, and I'm like, let me see it a minute. And I was bang, right on high, and it was like. Kapper took a piece of his bag.
Okay, that's it.
It's in my eye.
That Lysol.
God! Hey, don't use my pliers.
I'm using your pliers. I'm not going back to the toolbox. Your pliers don't clean up. There's one goal right now. Get Mr. Rat. Oh yeah.
Eat it.
Well, the hair's gone off of it because the blower that's probably what happened.
Tried to get his head, I got his body.
Tried to peel him. Oh, you broke his leg too. Look, we're doing a mouse autopsy right now. This leg, broken. God bless America, that thing stinks. Woo! I'm gonna have to ask you to clean that up. What is this trail of fluids right here? See that? That's where the smells come from.
There's a baby one.
Is there?
No, I'm just kidding.
Clean that. Get it out of there. Crazy world we live in. Lysol's saving the day right now. I mean, I don't know if that's the approved cleaning method, but we're going with it.
You remember what angle to put it at?
Yeah. Why does it smell so bad?
I think it's supposed to be death. Ow, it's my forehead.
keep it held up. Ow! You gotta hold it up.
I've only got 2 arms.
With your muscles.
Arms burning.
There's only one of me, so. Sit still. Son of a bitch. Where's that wire go?
Probably to the middle.
Don't go to the middle, go to the radio. I got 3 more. Stay where you're at. I'm trying to hurry. You can only get to certain ones from certain angles. What if this is what the morgue smells like? Still smells like shit back here. Hope there's no mice left in here. I'm still getting a real strong odor. Unless it's on the exterior. Which I don't care.
Alright, so there you have it, man. Murphy's Law in action. That's probably a 1 in a million thing. Mice are fairly common, but when they do that, then it makes it troubling. So stay tuned, man. I'll keep you posted on what's going on the 2 farms. And have a good day and good luck on your machines.